Hello, dear listeners. It is the next episode of Fast Track IELTS podcasts. And in this short video tutorial, you're going to be learning how to describe daily routine. And as I'm going to start my own template answer to this question, you're going to be analyzing what kind of, speech marks that I use in order to answer this question. So if you're ready, I may start as of now. So basically, if I have to talk about the time that I like, I would say it is going to be like afternoon or maybe evening, because at that part of the day I will be at home and I will be reclining in my own chair. And sometimes I often visit my favorite game installed on my computer that is called Call of Duty, and I play multiplayer games on it with my friends. And I usually chat with one of my closest friends, Jahangir from Tashkent. And there we often just run from one area to another area in order to conquer some parts of it and add it to our own territory. So basically, in this game, we run for in order to loot for some ammunition and loot for some money, drop it by other players. So it is basically free to all person game, and you can basically enjoy doing everything since there is no limited ability imposed on each character. So one of the things that I like most about this game is amazing features, and it is graphics, because as soon as you start playing this game, you feel like it is happening right in front of your eyes. Like it feels like everything real in front of your eyes. So that's why I really like to be immersed in this game environment all of the time when I feel even when I feel free, when I feel spared, sometimes from time to time. Yeah. So as you analyze how I answered this question, I try to cover all of these bullet points given in this question topic, and it is super important to talk about these bullet points. And of course, you don't need to talk about them in organized order. You can just talk about it in any order as you wish, but you have to talk about this question in the first place, and you have to cover basically these things mentioned. And your vocabulary and your grammar don't have to be that quite hard to understand, but it should be fluent and it should be coherent to each other so that you can get your desired score. So if you liked this short video tutorial, I just simply would ask you to leave a like and comment below if you spot some mistakes happen throughout the time I recorded this video. And stay tuned. See you in the next videos. Bye.